Welcome to your Ramadan workout series. Stay tuned to see the workout, but first, let's go over the verse for today. Here, we are honoring the essence of fasting with strength, focus, and balance being the focus. So let's turn this blessed month into a journey of both physical and spiritual transformation. This session is designed to complement your fast, burn fat, boost metabolism, build endurance, flexibility, and mindfulness. So together, we'll tap into your inner strength and ensure that every move brings you closer to physical wellness and spiritual peace. So these 30 Quranic verses that we're going over, they cover a range of concepts connected to both health, well-being, mindfulness, and self-care, and the balance between mind, body, and soul. So many of them advocate moderation, self-discipline, and gratitude, and mental resilience, all of which are vital for maintaining a healthy lifestyle, both physically and mentally. So here is the second verse. This is day 2. Yesterday was tough, but I know you guys got through it. Here we are, the second verse from Surah Al-A'raf 7:31. O children of Adam, take your adornment at every masjid, and eat and drink, and be not excessive. Indeed, he likes not those who commit excess. A reminder about moderation in eating here. So, as well as drinking, and that is crucial for health. So today's workout, we're going to be doing again 30 push-ups, 30 deadlifts, and 30 bicep curls. We will be changing these things as we go, but for now, this is what we're doing. So first, 30 push-ups. Okay, so as you can see, that was 30 push-ups. I took some pauses. I probably wouldn't have completed them if I didn't take the pauses. So that is why I took the pauses. You guys can do that as well. Also, I haven't been doing this in a while, so I'm probably a little bit weaker than normal. So those pauses help. And this is day 2. Obviously, we're fasting. We're not eating as much as we normally would during the day. So tomorrow we'll probably switch it up to a different movement and give this sufficient time to heal. So that was the 30 push-ups. Now we're going to go for the 30 deadlifts. Okay, there is the 30 deadlifts. Not the best form. Trying to pull in the lower abs as we go. And these are not weighted. They're not weighted, so you got a little bit more flexibility in the strictness of the movement. But there is 30. We're going to take a few seconds rest here. Catch your breath. Trying to fit in the shot. Alright, so there is the deadlifts. The last part here of the 30 for 30. is bicep curls. So let's get into that now. Okay, there it goes. That finishes off the 30 for 30. We had 30 push-ups, 30 deadlifts, and 30 bicep curls. Tomorrow we will be switching this up. Stay tuned to find out what that is. But I hope you guys are getting benefit from these videos. And thank you for joining today's workout. May it strengthen your mind, body, and soul. This is Ramadan, so don't forget to subscribe for more workouts and help stay you active and focused and energized throughout this month. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.